Traveling opens doors to new cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unforgettable experiences. It allows us to immerse ourselves in the beauty and diversity of the world, creating memories that last a lifetime. The allure of the unknown beckons us to step outside our comfort zones and explore the world's wonders. It's in these moments of discovery that we truly grow and learn about ourselves and the world around us. However, the excitement of venturing into unfamiliar territories can sometimes be tinged with the anxiety of getting lost. The fear of the unknown can be daunting, but it also adds to the thrill of the adventure. But getting lost can also be an opportunity to open your eyes to new experiences. It can lead you to hidden gems and unexpected encounters that you might have otherwise missed. With a few essential navigation tips, you can confidently navigate new environments and embrace the thrill of exploration without the worry of getting lost. From ancient techniques to modern technology, there are countless ways to find your way. There are numerous tools and strategies at your disposal to ensure you stay on track. Whether you prefer traditional methods or modern gadgets, there's something for everyone. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and skills to navigate like a pro. You'll learn how to read maps, use a compass, and make the most of GPS technology. We'll delve into the art of map reading, understanding symbols, and interpreting topographic features. The wonders of GPS technology will be explored, showing you how to use it effectively in various scenarios. And the convenience of travel apps will be highlighted, making your journeys smoother and more enjoyable. By the end of this guide, you'll be well prepared to navigate any city or countryside with confidence. You'll be ready to face any challenge and embrace every adventure. So let's embark on this navigational journey together and unlock the secrets to finding your way, wherever your adventures may lead. With the right tools and knowledge, the world is yours to explore. Before you even set foot outside your door, planning your route is paramount. Knowing where you're going and how to get there is the first line of defense against getting lost. Start by researching your destination and identifying key landmarks, transportation options, and potential points of interest along the way. Consider using online mapping tools to create a customized route that suits your preferences. Print out physical maps or save digital versions on your phone for easy access offline. Familiarize yourself with the local transportation system. Research bus routes, subway lines, or train schedules. Identify the nearest stations or stops to your accommodation and planned destinations. Make note of important addresses, phone numbers, and contact information. Being prepared for any eventuality is key to a successful and stress-free journey. Maps have been guiding travelers for centuries, and they remain an invaluable tool even in the digital age. Learning to read a map is a fundamental skill for any traveler. Understanding the symbols, scales, and legends allows you to interpret the terrain, identify landmarks, and plan your route effectively. Start with a basic understanding of cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west, and learn how to orient the map to your current position. Practice folding and unfolding maps efficiently. Pay attention to the map's scale. The scale indicates the relationship between the distance on the map and the corresponding distance in the real world. Look for landmarks and points of reference. Use these landmarks as visual cues to stay on track and avoid getting lost. As you travel, compare the features on the map with the actual landscape to ensure you're heading in the right direction. GPS technology has revolutionized navigation, providing travelers with precise location information at their fingertips. This technology has become an essential part of modern travel, making it easier to explore new places with confidence. Whether you're using a dedicated GPS device, a smartphone app, or a built-in navigation system in your car, GPS can be an invaluable tool for navigating unfamiliar territories. It helps you find the quickest routes, avoid traffic, and discover new destinations. Familiarize yourself with the features and functions of your GPS device or app. Take some time to explore the settings and understand how to use the various options available to you. Learn how to set destinations, choose routes, and access real-time traffic updates. These features can save you time and help you avoid potential delays on your journey. Many GPS apps offer additional features such as points of interest, restaurant recommendations, and public transportation information. These can enhance your travel experience by providing useful information at your fingertips. Ensure your device is fully charged before embarking on your journey. Carrying a portable charger can be a lifesaver, especially on long trips where access to power may be limited. Consider downloading offline maps to avoid data roaming charges and ensure access to navigation information, even in areas with limited internet connectivity. This can be particularly useful in remote locations where signal strength is weak. Be aware of the limitations of GPS technology. It is not infallible and can sometimes fail when you need it most. GPS signals can be obstructed by tall buildings, dense forests, or underground tunnels. These obstacles can interfere with the accuracy of your location data. Always have a backup plan in case your GPS fails. Carrying a physical map or having an alternative navigation method can ensure you stay on track even when technology lets you down. Travel apps have become indispensable tools for modern travelers, offering a wealth of information and resources at your fingertips. These apps are designed to make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. From navigation and translation to accommodation and transportation booking, travel apps can simplify your journey and enhance your overall experience. They help you plan your trip efficiently and stay organized throughout. Numerous navigation apps provide detailed maps, turn-by-turn directions, and real-time traffic updates. These features ensure you reach your destination without any hassle. Many travel apps offer offline functionality, allowing you to access maps and other information, even without an internet connection. This is particularly useful in remote areas or when traveling abroad. Download offline maps of your destination before you travel to ensure you have access to navigation information regardless of internet availability. This can save you from unexpected situations where connectivity is an issue. Explore the various features and functionalities offered by different travel apps. Each app has unique tools that can cater to specific travel needs. Some apps provide public transportation information, including real-time schedules and route maps. This helps you navigate cities and towns with ease. Others offer language translation tools, currency converters, and local guides. These features can be incredibly helpful in overcoming language barriers and managing your finances. Experiment with different apps to find the ones that best suit your needs and travel style. Personal preferences and travel habits can greatly influence which apps work best for you. Choosing the right app for your specific travel needs can significantly enhance your journey. With the right tools, your travel experience can be more enjoyable, efficient, and stress-free. While technology can be incredibly helpful, sometimes the best way to find your way is to simply ask for directions. Don't be afraid to approach locals and ask for assistance. Most people are happy to help travelers and can provide valuable insights into the local area. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can be incredibly helpful when asking for directions. Be specific about your destination. Provide clear landmarks or addresses to avoid confusion. Repeat the directions back to the person to ensure you understand correctly. If possible, ask them to point you in the right direction or draw a simple map. Be mindful of cultural norms and customs when interacting with locals. Be patient and understanding, and don't hesitate to ask clarifying questions if needed. While internet access is increasingly prevalent, there are still situations where you may find yourself without a connection. Being prepared for offline navigation is crucial, especially when venturing into remote areas or traveling internationally. Download offline maps of your destination before you travel. Carry a physical map and compass as a backup. Learn how to use a compass and practice orienting a map to your current position. Consider investing in a dedicated GPS device. Unlike smartphone apps, dedicated GPS devices do not require an internet connection to function. Familiarize yourself with the features and functions of your GPS device before you travel. Keep important information readily accessible. Having this information available offline can be a lifesaver in case of emergencies or unexpected detours. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to avoid getting lost is to stay aware of your surroundings. Pay attention to landmarks, street names, and other visual cues. As you walk or drive, make mental notes of key features that can help you retrace your steps if needed. Look for unique buildings, parks, or other distinctive features that can serve as points of reference. Observe the flow of traffic and pedestrian movement. Pay attention to street signs and follow directional arrows. Take note of the sun's position. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Engage your senses. These sensory cues can help you create a mental map of the area and enhance your overall travel experience. Despite your best efforts, there may be times when you still get lost. Don't panic. Getting lost can be a frustrating experience, but it's important to remain calm and collected. Take a deep breath and assess the situation. Look for familiar landmarks or street signs that can help you reorient yourself. If you have a map, consult it to determine your approximate location. If you're in a safe area, consider asking a local for directions. If you're unsure about your safety, seek assistance from a police officer or a trusted authority figure. If you have a smartphone with internet access, use a map app to determine your current location and find your way back to your intended route. Remember that getting lost can sometimes lead to unexpected discoveries and adventures. Public transportation can be an efficient and affordable way to explore a new city. However, navigating unfamiliar transit systems can be challenging. Before you travel, research the local public transportation options. Familiarize yourself with the bus routes, subway lines, or train schedules. Identify the stations or stops closest to your accommodation and plan destinations. Purchase a transit pass or tickets in advance to save time and avoid confusion. Understanding the local transit system can save you time and prevent confusion when navigating a new city. Being prepared for any eventuality is key to a successful and stress-free journey.